Hello everyone, my name is Jay Sadinapati. Today is 7 December 2022. Today we will learn about the conditional statement in Java. Let's see what is by conditional statement. In Java, there is all other programming languages is equipped with specified statement that allows to the check the condition and execute a certain code depending upon that condition. That condition is true or false. This statement is known as the conditional statement. In Java, there are various types of conditions. The Java support the logical mathematical conditions such as the less than equal to, greater than equal to, then equal to, not equal to. These types of conditions. In Java, main conditions are included. Such as there are 4 types of main conditions. First one is the if statement, second one is the else statement, third one is the else if statement, and last one is the switch statement. Let's see one by one. First one is the if statement. Use if to specify a block of code to execute. If specified condition is true, then certain condition true, then the block of statement is executed, otherwise not. The Java if statement is most simple decision making statement. Then if statement decides a certain statement or block of statement will be executed or not. This is the if statement. Then the second one is the else statement. In else statement, specify a block of code to be executed if some condition is false. In that scenario, the else statement is executed. That means if in that case if statement is true, then else statement not execute. If statement is false, in that scenario else statement is executed. Then the third one is the else if statement. In else if statement, there is a specified new condition. If first condition is false, and then move to the second block, that is the else block. Else is if statement is executed are called from multiple conditions. It's also known as the multiple decision statement. Then third one is the switch statement. In switch statement, the switch statement is you select the one or many code blocks executed. In that scenario, at a time we execute more than one block. The switch expression is evaluated once. The value of expression is compared with the value of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. This is the overall of the conditional statement in Java. Thank you.